Fidget toys or fidget spinners are increasingly being turned to as a simple, low-cost means of reducing stress and anxiety. The fiddle-friendly gadgets can also help address symptoms associated with ADD, ADHD, autism, nail biting, hair twirling, and leg bouncing. Serving as grounding tools for excess energy, fidget toys and EDC spinners may also help increase your focus and attention. It's difficult to include all the best fidget toys. A cottage industry has sprung up with so many great lone wolf shops popping up in Etsy and the like every week. So today we're going to talk about the best fidget toys. Rotablade Stubby Spinner. Following up its popular release of the original Rotablade, the Stubby is an incredibly well-made spinner being offered in stainless steel, copper, brass, and titanium. Threaded machine grips are also available in the same metals and allow the user to remove for easy maintenance and to customize the Stubby to match their mood. The high-performance ceramic hybrid bearing allows for some epic spin times. With some casual flicks, we managed to get the titanium Stubby to spin for close to 4 minutes, and the heavier brass Stubby to spin for close to 6. The Stubby doubles as a fully functioning cigar stand. Radioactive isotope spinners. You can dance with danger, or you can fidget with it. Black Hills Precision makes a series of aluminum and brass spinners in the shape of the ionizing radiation hazard warning. Probably not a good choice for your ADD, ADHD kids, as I'm pretty sure the whole point of this symbol is to advise people to stay away from it. Maelstrom Spinner from Flyaway Toys. Managed and assembled in the Pacific Northwest, the Maelstrom is one of the newest spinners on the scene. The R188ZZ ABEC 7 hybrid ceramic bearing is giving some serious spin times, from what we're hearing. We haven't gotten our hands on this fidget spinner quite yet. All indications are that this is an impressive new spinner and one we'll be looking to add to our collection soon. The Vorso Flat Top Spinner. Based out of Staffordshire, England, Vorso specializes in precision-engineered performance spinning tops. I think their flat tops are pretty sweet. Unique and desktop-worthy in appearance, sleek in design, and, according to Vorso, a fidgeter's dream. You can spin an FT on a flat surface, sure, but you can also spin it in your hand, on the tip of your finger, or on the point of a pen or knife if you got the skills. Flat tops come in your choice of brass or stainless steel surrounding a custom-built bearing. These are very small, but heavy and extremely sturdy spinners. Great for everyday carry with a small pocket footprint. A must-have spinner for every collector. United Bowtie Fidget Spinner. United Machining's bow tie is made of a black hard-coated aluminum and employs a hybrid ceramic bearing so it spins for a long time. From 1 to 2 minutes to infinity. Or maybe just long enough for you to calm down and relax. Rick Reamer Urban Fidget Toys. Rick Reamer started out hand-making eclectic, steampunk, upcycled, and recycled lamps, but has since added industrial fidget toys to his repertoire. This one, his Biohazard Spinner, is 3D printed and has 6 chrome steel weights embedded around its inner disc for spinning inertia. Reamer also used a ceramic hybrid bearing to keep the danger whirling and tearing around for longer. Check out his store for Galaxy, Nuclear, and Gear versions. EDC Fidget Spinner. This EDC fidget spinner from Brian's Metal Shop is all precision machined bones and plugs with a Bones red bearing. Assembly is done with cryogenic and press fits, so there is no glue involved. No mention of spin times, but this highly detailed, finely crafted spinner is a great addition to any collection. X and Y spinners from Spinetic. Spinetic's recently released X and Y spinners are both great new spinners from an established brand. With 3+ minute spin times out of the box, these affordably priced spinners are the perfect first spinners for beginners. SS Thrax Spinner. At 62 mm in length, This stainless steel spinner from Thrax is a great design. The unique thing on this spinner is the grips magnetically attach, making them easy to remove and change. A bead-blasted finish and R188 hybrid ceramic bearing make this a coveted spinner, as evidenced by its frequently sold-out status. Big Larry beads from J.L. Lawson. This pair is made to order and hand-turned from solid 5/8 diameter brass by J.L. Lawson & Company. For those unfamiliar, Big Larry beads are a type of worry beads, often flipped and spun to keep the hands and mind occupied. Big Larry's originated in Greece as a derivative of the Greek rosary. Polar modular magnet pen. Fidget right, fidget right, fidget right. Fingers do double duty with Polar. The modular pen consists of an ink refill skeleton covered in 14 rare earth neodymium magnets of body armor. Magnets strong and durable enough to build into spinny, rolly, and bouncy toys, or to chuck at your fridge and file cabinet at the precise force and trajectory required to make them stick. Fidgetworks roly-poly round chain. Made of 6 bicycle links connected to a circular chain, this quiet and discreet fidget toy glides through fingers and morphs fluidly into various shapes when you're not poking one of them through its center opening. Forever Spin Tops. Boost your creativity, add some minimalistic art to your desktop, give a gift that will last forever, or just let the movement mesmerize you and find some serenity now. Forever Spin spinning tops are made from metals ranging from aluminum and copper to black zirconium and tungsten, formed into solid billets and then CNC machined on a lathe. The resultant level of precision achieved in the company's expertly spun operation is top-notch, at least as masterful as my puns, as are the quality and durability of Forever Spin designs. Stainless steel black spinner ring. A more subtle way for dudes to herd the ants out of their pants. This black-on-black stainless steel band has a slightly protruding inner ring that rotates around the thicker section covering your finger. Comes only in full sizes, 9 to 12. Fidgetland ring toys. Solid stainless steel rings and colorful silicone bands designed and intertwined in a range of different styles. One for each day of the week, maybe? Make up Fidgetland's ring toys. Kobayashi Fidget Cube. I still can't figure out how exactly the cubes are flipping over each other and seemingly joining themselves to other cubes through magic hinges. I do know that it looks like a great way to fidget away some time and keep your hand busy. Karunin Desktop Toy. Karunin is a Japanese desktop toy that takes a great deal of hand-eye coordination to master. Using only fingertips, the Karunin, essentially a rounded wooden block with finger pads on the ends, is generally flipped over using one hand and stopped with a fingertip on the other hand. That's a horrible explanation, which is why we have videos. Though not a well-known fidget toy, the Karunin can definitely fill a fidgeter's appetite. For those with an eye on mastery, this desktop toy can certainly be used as a game of skill and is much more than just a means to pass the time.